For centuries, humans invented farming to meet the needs of food supply demands. But in the last few decades, the populations of the world has increased very rapidly. How do new modern farming methods meet the ever-growing demand? Number 8. Organifarms. Welcome to the future of agriculture. Introducing the strawberry harvesting robot called Berry from Organifarms. Berry is designed to be the solutions to all the challenges faced in strawberry farming. With Berry, you'll need no planning, no human labor, and no strawberry waste. It can automatically travel around the strawberry farm and identify the fruit according to your desired needs through image recognition capability. Berry picks the fruit right at the stem without damaging it to ensure the shelf life remains intact. It has been developed with the help of growers, making it easy to integrate into your current greenhouse environment. Berry is the perfect solution for the next step towards sustainable agriculture. Number 7. Freight Farms. Welcome to the Freight Farms creative project, Bright Box Farms, aka Greenery, a small and vertical hydroponic farming inside a shipping container. Greenery is engineered with advanced technology. Its insulated walls and roof optimize the climate for vegetable production, helping to grow vegetables like lettuce, herbs, and Swiss chard, regardless of the weather outside. An automatic climate automation system takes readings from air and water through sensors and keep the climate balance for vegetable growth. You can track, monitor, and operate the farm remotely via a mobile app, anywhere and anytime. Planting begins with seeding 3 weeks before transplanting the plant in the vertical tower. Dynamic automations and scheduled LED lighting illuminated the plants and watered them with fortified nutrient water. A rolling track is used to bring the plants to the front of the farm at the time of harvesting. The greenery will allow you to grow 2 acres of nutritious food in just 320 square feet using just 2 gallons of water. What a fantastic sustainability solution! Number 6. US Catfish. This process starts with fish roe harvesting, then artificial inseminations is prepared with fish milt. An automatic water purification system cleans the water in preparations for the spawning process that happens in a clean and artificial environment. The fry is transferred to the pond 2 weeks after hatching. Fish feed is made synthesizing grains. This food is supplied to fish tanks in specialized containers equipped with food guns. The most crucial task in this process is the function of the oxygen supply in these ponds. Electric or tractor-operated aerators are used for oxygen supply during the daytime. After the catfish are fully grown, they are traditionally harvested with the help of nets and loaded into special fish containers. In the factory, the catfish is packed after passing through various stages of preservation. This packing process is completed using modern machinery under expert and professional staff supervision. Number 5. Kim Hai Farm. Now is the time to see how to harvest sustainable dragon fruit and make different health products from this amazingly beneficial fruit. This process starts when the plant becomes very large. Its branches are cut to reduce the weight, so the plant maintains its strength. When flowers start blooming, it indicates that the fruit is on its way. When the fruit is ripe, its color is bright pink. It takes 4 weeks. The dragon fruit is cut with 2 circular saws and passed through a conveyor belt for antiseptic spray. After that, it is peeled and cut into 8 horizontal pieces. Finally, it is placed in a dehydration tray at 125 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 hours to dehydrate. After this process, these dehydrated pieces of dragon fruit are sterilized and stored in vacuum bags. Just as dragon fruit is preserved in slices, you can also preserve it by extracting the juice. Number 4. HydroGreen. Have you ever wondered how livestock are fed and where sustainable supplies are from? Well, here is HydroGreen by CubicFarm Systems. HydroGreen is a unique company that transformed the way farmers grow and harvest crops to their livestock. The HydroGreen system fully automates process, allowing just a push of button and watch as your feed is automatically cut within minutes. This will enable you to spend less time in the fields and more time focusing on your cattle, sheep, pigs, and goats. HydroGreen provides the highest quality feed all year round, and its automated process ensures that the product is on the highest quality. The system is so efficient and economical, leaving your precious time in looking after the farm. Number 3. AquaBounty. Considering the importance of aquatic resources to meet the growing global demand for salmon, AquaBounty has launched sustainable aquaculture to meet this demand. Conventional salmon farming methods can cause environmental damage, so AquaBounty's salmon are being genetically modified to reduce the environmental impact of their breeding. They are raised in freshwater land-based farms in North America with clean and hygienic principles and do not affect wild fisheries. Brood stock is kept on King Edward Island in Canada and breeding is done in Indiana. The fish are farmed in closed buildings, underwater conserving systems with modern biosecurity techniques. Farm waste is supplied as fertilizers to local farmers so that the waste does not cause environmental pollution. AquaBounty is transforming the future of seafood using science and safe technology to solve global problems like food security and climate change. What an amazing way to feed the world! Number 2. Poul Tech. Chicken is the most loved and demanded poultry on the planet, and also their eggs are an important source of our daily nutrition. It is nearly impossible to meet the increasing demand for chicken and its eggs through traditional poultry farming. Poul Tech farming equipment's modern and innovative poultry farming methods are revolutionizing the industry. Using fully automatic equipment and a series of operations, 200,000 chickens can be managed with only 2 to 3 people. The cage mesh is made from hot galvanized zinc-coated wire and steel sheets, providing corrosion resistance and long service life. The feed chart is fully enclosed to reduce dust. The egg belt Italian technology made from PP material offer higher tensile strength and monofilament tension of 5 to 7 kg. The egg collection machine has an unmatched collection ability and eliminates egg breakage. The length and slope of the egg conveyor belt can be systematically controlled. Poul Tech is providing efficient and sustainable solutions to keep up with the ever-growing demand for eggs. Number 1. CubicFarm Systems. Let's visit CubicFarms, an automated vertical farming technology that revolutionized the farming industry. CubicFarms founded the technology to allow farmers to grow crops in any environment, prevent pests and diseases, and be easy to operate. Its award-winning crop motion technology maximizes the cubic space by minimizing the environmental impact. The crop motion technology brings the tray to the front of the module for harvesting or planting, and the enclosed environment allows you to collect and use data. Each module has 250 trays, which are drenched with LED light, dosed with nutrients, and watered according to an optimal schedule set by the app. The modules are customizable and controlled, eliminating the need for pesticides. CubicFarm systems grow 95% less water than field farming and reduce waste by more than 80%. It is a self-contained, simple, and foolproof system suitable for anyone interested in sustainability and greener food supply. Subscribe.